In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove the Grammarly extension on your Chrome web browser. Whether you're looking to manage your browser extensions more effectively or simply want to reinstall Grammarly after a cleanup, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. We'll start by focusing on how to remove the extension. Begin by opening your Chrome browser and directing your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot the puzzle piece icon. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, leading you to the page that showcases all the extensions you currently have installed. Your task here is to locate the Grammarly extension in this list. Now, when you find Grammarly, you'll see a small three-dot menu on its panel. It might seem modest, but it's incredibly useful. Click on these three dots to access more options, where you'll find the Remove from Chrome option. A simple click on this, followed by a confirmation, will ensure the Grammarly extension is uninstalled from your browser. It really is as straightforward as it sounds. Next, let's move on to reinstalling Grammarly. First, navigate to the Grammarly website. Here, you should notice a section titled Apps, which is typically either found at the bottom of the main page or prominently listed in the navigation menu. Click on this section to access a page that offers various platforms where Grammarly can be installed or used. On this page, look for the Reinstall or Install Grammarly for Chrome button and click it. This action will redirect you to Grammarly's page on the official Chrome web store. You're almost at the finish line now. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button. Shortly afterwards, a confirmation dialog will appear. As always, it's best practice to quickly review this dialog before moving forward. Go ahead and confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will promptly process your request, and in no time, you'll observe Grammarly reappearing in your extension list. Lastly, to ensure Grammarly is easily accessible in the future, let's pin it to your toolbar. Now that you've completed the installation, return to the Extensions menu by clicking the puzzle piece icon on your toolbar. This will display a list of all your extensions. Locate Grammarly in this list, and you should see a pin icon next to it. Click on the pin, turning it blue. This action keeps it visible on your toolbar, granting you easy access whenever you need it. And just like that, you've successfully removed and re-added the Grammarly extension to your Chrome browser. This simple process empowers you to manage your Chrome extensions efficiently, keeping your browsing experience smooth and productive.